Hey Dermot, does it need a hot water tank?
If you are retrofitting your house or upgrading your house and you're putting in a Mitsubishi electric EcoDan system, you will need a new hot water cylinder. But your hot water cylinder is part of the indoor unit. It's built inside the component that looks like a fridge. An old-fashioned cylinder would have held about 120 litres. This can hold from 170 litres up to 300 litres. So it's sufficient for every family size.
EcoDan from Mitsubishi Electric. Trust the team behind your comfort.
I did.